crispy crunchiness here. Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Who doesn't like French fries? And then too, if you are making it home, why not, right? So today I have made the salty version as we get it in the food joint, and these are my spicy version French fries. So let's see how to make it. So for the French fries, I have one potato peeled, and just gonna slice it just like this. And then turn the side, start cutting vertically. Just like so. So as you can see, these are our slices, the French fries. Before frying, I'm adding it in the cold water. I'm gonna soak it for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes of potatoes soaking in the cold water, I drained them, and this is how they look now. I have to get a nice clean towel, just spread it across, and basically pat dry them just like so. Let it sit for 5 minutes and they are ready to fry. Alright, so now it's basically we're gonna fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're not making them golden brown right now. There's a magic of double frying, but I'll show you later. So just simply fry them for about 5 minutes. Alright, so now just remove them at this stage. Put it on a paper towel. Alright, so now that my first layer of frying is done, I'm going to sprinkle some salt just for taste, because we are going to add some seasoning later. So salt and couple tablespoons of cornstarch. If you have potato starch, you can add that, but if you do not have, you can simply add cornstarch just for that crispiness. Alright, that's it. I'm going to mix that well and fry them again to the point we have the fries golden fried. Alright, so my second time frying here. Now this time I'm going to fry them till they turn golden brown. So my flame is medium high. Minutes or so, you see the color is changing. You can see it's like turning golden brown, or just a way the fries you see in the market or in the shop. Alright, so it's time to remove. There you go, beautiful color. And we have added some salt, so that is ready to eat. Okay, so my double frying of these fries is done. Now, as you can see, it's beautiful golden color. I'm going to spice it up a little. You can have it as it just with the salt, a sprinkle of salt. And just for that spicy flavoring. I'm going to add some red pepper or red chili powder, just on a half, because I'm gonna have spicy version and my son is gonna have the salty version. And I'm also going to add some chaat masala. That's it. And this is my French fries with salt flavor and spicy flavor are ready. There you go. These are my French fries ready. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye. And here we go. Crispy crunchiness here.